Hare Krishna, I'm Sunita Sunil with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. Let us chant chapter 11, verse 43 of Bhagavad Gita. Pitasi lokasya characharasya tvamasya pujascha gururgariyan natvassamosthyabhyadhika kutunyo lokatrayepya pratimam prabhava. After seeing Krishna's divine supremacy, Arjuna calls, "You are the father of this world, of all moving and non-moving beings. You are its most worshipable, the Supreme Guru. None is equal to you. How then could there be one greater in all the three worlds? O Lord of unequal power and glory." The moral is, after seeing the Vishwarupa, that is universal form, Arjuna is overwhelmed and acknowledges Krishna as the Supreme Father, Guru, and the greatest of all. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತ ಅರ್ಥ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೀನು ಚರಾಚರ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ತಂದೆ, ನೀನೇ ಪೂಜ್ಯನು, ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗುರು. ಮೂರು ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲೂ ನಿನಗೇ ಸಮರಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಗಿಲಾದರಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ಪ್ರಭಾವವುಳ್ಳವನೇ. The moral is, nothing is bigger than Krishna. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಸರ್ವೋಚ್ಚ, that is supreme. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.